What's good guys, it is Trav here from Neighbourhood. Are you looking to quickly schedule meetings within your contacts? You might need to think about connecting your calendar to HubSpot so you can book meetings directly in the record itself. So today we're going to go over how to connect your Google Calendar and schedule meetings from contact cards inside HubSpot. Now, if you want to take today's lesson offline, we'll include a free downloadable PDF in the description below. So today we're going to take you through how to set up this. We're going to really quickly go through connecting up your calendar invite, how to do so, and then where to find specific opportunities for us to add specific meetings inside HubSpot itself. So first and foremost, what we want to do is when we get into our HubSpot account, this will kind of look somewhat similar to what yours looks like. It might look a bit different, might start on a different page. There's a few things that we can do when it comes to getting meetings scheduled in the contact card. First and foremost, there's no way that we can book a meeting if we don't have our calendar connected. So in this instance, we use the G Suite in our agency here. So I'll take you through on how to do the G Suite side of things. You might be a bit different with Outlook. Follow the same process and follow the prompts that do pop up, and it should work perfectly. If not, there is a comment section down there you can get stuck into and ask some questions. Happy to help out in any way, shape or form we can. So first and foremost, we want to go up to sales and then go down to meetings. Now, if you've got the HubSpot account fresh out of the box, it'll pop up and say that we need to connect our account. You can go about it another way too. If you go to the cog at the top here, there's a general area up here, and you can sort of let it load, go to calendar, and you can see here, this is the calendar area. So there's a variety of different ways that we can get to connect it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go through and I'm going to connect the calendar to my personal calendar to make sure we can start sending out meeting links with this one here. So I'm going to connect the calendar and click this. It's going to pop up, obviously, Microsoft Exchange, Outlook, or Gmail. So as I mentioned, we're at Gmail, so I'm going to click on this one and connect the calendar. We've got some items here that you might want to read through in regards to what it syncs across as well. Also some privacy policies as well. So we're going to accept this and connect to Gmail. All right, so after you've gone through and clicked it, you'll see this screen here that it can connect up your email settings and all of your calendars and whatnot. So we're going to click on Allow. Then it should do a little bit of that and it should say, huzzah, it's now working. So we should see that pop up and we should see a calendar right there as well. One thing, this is a bit of a bonus thing as well, is that you'll see down here, this is like a URL meetings link. If you are using your own domain, my recommendation is that when we send out meeting links, they're going to say meetings.hubspot.com/TW, or just put Trav in this instance. Oops, we'll put Trav in this instance. Or maybe Trav1. Let's get to that. I'd much prefer it if it came from my own domain. So if you connect up in the domain areas, here we've got one that's already been connected up. If you've got any dramas with this, there is in the comments below. Connect up your custom domain, so then that way, if we are actually using the meeting domain here, and then we do change that over. All right, so when we change that over and we do our custom domain, you'll see that we've got like a summerofselling.com.au/meetings. It's just a little bit more presentable. It looks a little bit fancy when you're sort of sending it through to prospects and things like that as well. You've also got default meeting links as well. At the moment, there's only just one that we saw on that other page, and we're all good to go. We're going to go over to sales and then go down to meetings. And here is kind of where we set up. Now in this instance, we're not going to take you through how to set up meetings. There's definitely another video which we can link up here if you want to go through that. But in this instance, we've got our meeting link here. We can go ahead and create a whole bunch of different types of meetings that we want. But we're just going to use this one here in this instance. So a few ways that we can kind of get around this. So if we go up to contacts and then go to contacts again. So we can do one of two things. We're going to click on one of the contacts that we've got here. So Bree is a good one. So we've connected our calendar. So we can do one of two things. We can then schedule a calendar meeting invite, or what we can do is send out a meeting link, two different things. So one of them is obviously, if we send a meeting link out to them, they're actually going to choose the time. And there's also another option if we just want to go ahead and book that time regardless inside the CRM itself. So here's the contact card, should look the same for you as well. You'll see these little orange dots that we've got up on the left-hand side. This one's notes, email, call, task, And this one here is schedule a meeting. If we click on schedule a meeting here, we'll go through. This is the calendar sync. We'll just click on this. That was that little tick box underneath, which we can see here. So we're going to go manage the calendar sync. We're going to install the app. We're going to install this app. Then we'll get to this area here. We go through and allow. Cool, so we've now got the sync and now we've got the meeting links in there as well now. So I'm going to go back to the contact page. It's a little bit of setup at the start. Once it's all set up, it's one and done. You don't really have to do it every single time. We're going to click on the little schedule a meeting area. I'm going to click on this. It should look a little bit different this time. Cool, so it's going to pop up like this. So what we can do is that it's now pulling in all of the entries that I've got into my calendar on Google Calendar on the right-hand side, so I can go through and actually look to see what's available. Here it's only half an hour, so we can go through and we can select 1 hour and actually go through and hover over certain things. So this one I'm going to do like a test meeting for HubSpot how-tos. 2 attendees. So obviously I've got myself and Bree because I was on her contact card. Then we'll go through and we can just enter a description here. And we can do an internal note too. So this is just obviously not going to be attached to the actual calendar invite itself. And I'm just going to do it on Wednesday and click on this one here. So we can see here that it's going to be the 29th, 10 a.m. to 11 o'clock, 1 hour. Select location, so we might just do it customized, and then might just say, actually we'll go in person, and then we can set the it's our address, and then what we can do is click on save. Okay, nice. So that's all booked in. So obviously that's going to go ahead and sync to my actual calendar. So that'll go ahead and send the invitation through to Bree. So Bree will get that as a normal Google Calendar invite. It'll also populate on my Google Calendar too to make sure that it's present there as well. You can sort of see here as well, we've also got the meeting upcoming on the 29th of March as well that's been noted in there. That being said as well, sort of the other side of the coin, if I want to email Bree as well around that. Now we've got the same, we've obviously connected our calendar up. So I'm just going to just put this as just a test here. We've done our calendar up, so I might just want to go to her. I might want to say, hey, what time works best for you? And I might want to use just the meeting tools up here as well. A little bit different from the calendar, but this is the calendar. This is that meeting link that we had in that sort of meetings area. So we've got the option there. So one of two ways. One, we can go ahead and schedule that calendar for them on their behalf, or on behalf of both of us in that little orange dot at the top there. Second to that, we can actually send her an email with our meeting link and then she can book it on her behalf. So that's it. And there you have it. You now know how to connect your calendar to HubSpot and schedule a meeting to a contact in a record. Now, if you're after a PDF version of what we've learned today, we'll leave a link in the description below. Now, if you've learned something new from this video and you're keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you give us a like and subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss on another video. Well, that's it from me. Happy HubSpotting.